Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Nillkin CamShield prop case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I need to give them a shout out for sending this case out to me for review. I reviewed 2 other cases that they already made, so check out those videos. I'm really digging the cases that I reviewed so far, and this one looks pretty good, except for it has one thing that it makes no sense because, you know, Samsung took it away, but you can actually get the same case without the stylus holder. But let me get into it. You can pick up this case from their website. I'll have the links on the description. They have many different cases, so I will link it up there. Y'all can pick up what case you want. They have one with MagSafe, without MagSafe, and everything else. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Also, the overall fit. Does it fit well? Does it move around because it's a 2-piece case? Do you get hinge protection? How strong is the magnet? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But, nice presentation from them. Pause that and read it if you want to. But I don't know if they built this case before the announcement or what. And in the box, you do have some wipes down there, extra adhesive strips, just the normal stuff you get in the box. But here's what I'm talking about. It has the stylus holder, and they give you a little stylus too. So, I mean, you can still use that on your phone if you wanted to. But they sent it to me. I didn't have a choice on which one I wanted. But they have the same case without the stylus holder. So you can pick it up without it and still have that hinge protection on there. They do have the little cover too, which acts like a kickstand, which is pretty good. Yeah, so they have the little cover there with the kickstand. I like the grip. And the size too, you have a little logo there. But let's see how this bad boy works. And then we want to take off this little strip. Put this bad boy on here. So make sure that strip is down and straight. And then alright, so I got the back on there, but let's check out something. Can you still use the stylus on the screen? It's a very soft tip, so you can use it on there. You can use it here if you want to. So you can still use the stylus that they give to you. But again, if it was me, I probably would pick the case without the stylus. But you have camera protection there. As you can tell, bam, you can open it up too. Now when you open it up, you don't have camera protection at all. But when you close it, it's there. It will track fingerprints though too. You have lip protection at the top and the bottom. The power button is open enough to get your fingers in there. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. I didn't have the case on all the way. The bottoms all line up. Also does the top does too. So with the hinge, it does have cover up some of your display. And now if you get the one with the stylus holder and the stylus itself, it does make the case a little bit bulkier. As you can tell, without the stylus, it's not a bulky case. Look. You know, with the stylus, yes, it's going to be a bulkier case. I love the grip on here too, though. And then the overall fit, yeah, I mean, if you pull hard enough, yes, you're going to pull this a little adhesive strip off. But the more you use it, the more it probably seals to the phone. But taking it off, you can hear that snap in there. Bam, I like the grip, though. What y'all think about the stylus? Maybe y'all like it. Maybe you can actually use it. Like I said, you can definitely use it. You're not going to write and do S Pen stuff on it, but I mean, it's a big phone, so when you have it open, you might be able to use that stylus and really take advantage of it. Let's see, I don't see any movement. How can you use this kickstand too? So you can use it like that. Use it like that sometimes. Also like that. So there's multiple ways you can use this kickstand / camera cutout. Bam. How strong is this magnet? And can you wireless charge? Can you wireless charge? Yes, you're charging up there. And the magnet, oh, okay. That's pretty. Again, you're not gonna sit here and shake it. Is it the super strong magnet? I'm gonna say no, but I mean, for most cases, you're not gonna have a problem. Unless, I don't know any other place off-roading, maybe on the dirt road somewhere. They might, but that's pretty good. Again, is it the strongest? No, but not bad at all. So the magnet's not bad at all. This does check off a lot of boxes for a lot of different people. Camera protection is there. You have lip protection. The buttons are great. They feel great. The case itself, if you did not have the built-in stylus holder here, it would not be a big case. With this on there, I mean, look, it does add a little bit of, width to it. The grip, I like the grip of it. I like the feel of it. The kickstand is sturdy. The magnet is really good on here. So it checks off a lot of different boxes for you. Again, I would not buy this case with the stylus because I don't use it. But you may want to, and that's why they might give you those options to you. They have a lot of options on their website, so go check it out. And I'm really starting to like what they are doing with their cases. The 3 cases I have tried out have been pretty good. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.